So hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna steal a new car. So let's just start the video. Let's move on with this riding. Which one I will choose? Let's see the another one. Actually I like bikes, so I will gonna find a bike, then I will ride. I gotta jump on this. This is bullet. This bullet is I like. Let's move on. You can heard it sound. It's pretty much cool, huh? Actually, I'm not sure about how much views did I get from this video, because at my channel I already uploaded 24 videos, but I only have 7 subscribers. So I don't think too much that in this video I will get many views. But since I'm continuously uploading my video, actually the total subscribers I have 7, and they are my heart because they want to watch me. That's why I like to uploading my continuous video. Money is the second thing, but the important thing is someone want to watch you. That's why I'm continuously uploading this video. First I had uploaded many videos like games of different time, Minecraft and any other games, because I don't know that how much game is precisely most people like. That's why I'm trying to get to know on which topic people want to know. If you are watching my video, please write in the comment section which game do you want to watch. Here you can see that here luxury car. I have to steal this car, but when I try to steal this car, cops will follow me. So I have to run as fast as I could, because when I got far away from the cops, they will left me and not follow me. So let's just go. Actually, I don't play this game too much. That's why I have to see the map so that I can find the best areas so that easily I can drive from the cops. This is a rare car, so if I drive in a hurry area, then it will be blast and my mission is not completed.
Hey, I got the ride.
I downloaded this game because I want to play this game.
Take it to him and tell him I sent you.
There are many games in the mobile and PC games, but they are too heavy for my device. So I download this low MB device, but its actually size is 3 GB. I choose this car because I like the black color and the shade of the color black. It seems like a brown. This draw a extra effect on this car. I have to go far away. My point, actual destiny point is 800 meter. Since I lost my mission, then I have to steal a luxury car again. At the YouTube, I watch many videos live and many others video. They are uploading much video and they are getting much views, but I don't get much views. So I want to know why I could not getting any videos view on my video. I have only 7 subscribers, and also on my video there are only few views. But on my past videos there are most people watched. Actually, my longest view on video is actually totally 773 views. That makes me really appreciable to continuously upload many videos here. But sometimes when you upload the videos and you are not getting any views, then you are continuously getting demotivation. But my actually motivation is not the views. My actually motivation is people want to see me. If they are want to see me, I will continuously upload video. Whatever there are few views or more views, because each viewer who wants to see me, I will show what he want or she want to see me or see my video. Every time I download the game, new or old game, I always remember about my followers and viewers, what actually they want to watch. It doesn't matter my devices will be support or not, but actually things that matter on us is what my 7 followers want to see. Because here are totally many of people around the world, but only 7 people subscribes me. So I'm uploading for those people who subscribes my channel, and also for the viewers who views my video on totally 71 times. I'm actually appreciate them, because every time I upload the video, my views are not getting more, but every time my viewers comes new. So thank you for that. If you are watching my video, if you are also my followers or new, you can write in the comment section anything you want to see. I will try always to upload the video on the topic you want. It doesn't matter if I could or not, I will try. Do you know, when I started the first video, I don't know on which topic should I upload the video, but I searched many videos on the YouTube. Then I found that the most favorite video on the YouTube people liked by his game, because most of the youngest who watched the videos is like to watch games. So I also think to upload the gaming video for my YouTube subscribers and viewers. I'm actually